In a world where skill meets disaster, watch as heavy equipment goes rogue and tractors push limits to the edge of reason. Dangerous Idiot's Tractor Fails brings you the most insane, heart-stopping, and downright hilarious fails. Dare to watch the madness unfold?
이거 가는데 뭐가 이렇게 그냥 쓰면 고단 것이냐?
MTZ 82 versus MTZ 82.1. Who's got the edge? They've got the same power under the hood, so it comes down to the extras. A stereo here, AC there, a few counterweights maybe. But hey, the real game changer is the driver. Who do you think has more experience? Oh, now they're gonna need another, even bigger tractor. Ever seen a New Holland block an entire road? I did, and I thought he was toast. What do you think happened? Drop your guess below before I tell you. Spoiler, I was shocked. This is what happens when you go around a corner too fast with a large trailer load of big bales. What a reckless way to do that. It could have been more than just a scare. Never try something like this.
Yo que se está yendo para atrás, el loco. Dile que no se preocupe. ¡Ay, ay, ay!
¡Ay, madre!
¡Joder!
¡Madre mía! ¡Que se va a inundar el hombre!
Always check and securely fasten with load-rated chains or cables to minimize incidents like this.
¡Yo! ¡Yo! ¿Y el tacho? Ahí, buscar tacho ahora. Me cago en Dios.
Right from the first pull, it hits you. This isn't the driver's first rodeo. The Ursus C360 grips the ground like a beast born to haul, raw power humming in every piston. The load is substantial, yet the operation remains smooth, controlled, and effective. Okay, here's a pro tip. That motor, totally capable. But if you stomp on the brakes too quickly or unevenly, you're wasting all that torque. And here's the kicker. Don't let the front end smack the ground. Keep it up just a bit, and boom. Better balance, better traction, and a whole lot less strain on your engine. When a Deutz gets stuck in soft sand like this, it's usually a weight distribution issue. Without proper ground prep or flotation tires, these machines dig themselves in deeper with every throttle push. The initial cause of the rescue operation was traced to a mechanical incident involving a tractor transporting a combine harvester. While navigating a curve on a slight incline, the heavy rear load exerted forward pressure, locking the trailer's axle. This mechanical failure led to the tractor overturning. He made every possible effort to secure the engine and prevent its displacement.
Neyse durdu lan.
The margin for error here is zero. One soft spot in the road, one hydraulic failure, and that entire house could collapse into a pile of splinters. The skill and nerve of the crew are unbelievable. It's like watching a tightrope act. Now this is a tractor with character. The T's 4K14 might be small, but don't let size fool you. It's a powerhouse. Check out the trailer. It's still using those classic Malik wheels known as Cytrinki. You're looking at real countryside history here, folks.
Hey!
Damn, maybe he had the diff locked. Steering is often seriously compromised when under acceleratoin with diff lock. At first, I thought the harvester was on fire, but it turned out they were just harvesting chickpeas in Santiago del Estero after an October storm. Did you see that? The Valmet 359 fired up from above. That's how you grab a crowd's attention. Bold, different, unforgettable. Now that's how you make an entrance.
Cara, nem... Tem que lavar o trator.
Tem que lavar o pneu?
Não vai pegar em Vai embora!
This is John Deere flexing in the mud like a champ. It's dirty, it's raw, and it's everything we love about tractors doing real work. You don't need a clean field to show off. This is the kind of mess that makes machines legendary. What a meeting of specialists. You can see that the guy knows what he's doing. The front is gently lowering. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind, and a 0 if it didn't quite impress you. Your support fuels our creative fire.